We have selected the best 5 kids drones that are all rated highly among drone flyers for both their flying ability and durability. If you want to take a peek at our best picks, just scroll to the video description below. We have Hasbro H1 FPV RC drone as the 5th one on our list. The Hasbro H1 looks more like a bumblebee than a drone and flies just as well. This drone has a built-in air pressure sensor and altitude hold feature that makes hovering simple. This drone is ideal for beginners and children, but is fun to fly for advanced flyers. The H1's specs include headless security mode, an FPV HD camera, a fly time of 6 to 8 minutes, a charge time of 60 minutes, and an operating range of 50 feet. The drone is built in with an air pressure sensor. The RC drone will automatically set the height. It makes the drone easy to control and suitable for any level of players. It has 2.4 GHz technology and 6-axis stabilization system for smooth flight. Easy to control. This drone is best for beginners, kids, and drone trainers. The JJRC H36 mini drone has taken the 4th place on our list. This kids-friendly drone has a headless mode function through which the aircraft will consider the direction opposite to that of the remote control as the correct one by default when it flies to a height where the operator is not able to judge the direction of the aircraft head with bare eyes, so you can go on with the remaining positions. Apart from that, you can press the button on the transmitter to get 360 degrees flip, continuous roll for perfect action and wonderful performance. The 6-axis gyroscope is adopted for strong stability, allowing for various flight movements implementation with stronger wind resistance and ease of control. The creatively designed LED lights are fitted for night flight possibilities, leaving a beautiful landscape in the night sky. If you want to know more about the product, check the video description below. The 3rd product on our list is the Holy Stone HS-170 drone. This one is suitable for both indoor and outdoor situations. Its windproof and shockproof design guarantees best flying experiences regardless of setting. Keeping the drone in the air is easy due to the 2.4 GHz remote control that sports out the digital proportional radio control system. It is equipped with 4 high-powered engines that can keep the drone steady in the air, thanks to the 6-axis gyro stabilization system and the screw-attached propellers. Moreover, due to the headless mode technology, the drone will always be oriented in the direction of the controller. Dronecon Scouter is considered all aspects for beginners and has taken the 2nd position on our list. With one touch of the function button on the remote control, the Dronecon Scouter will hover at the same height and start spinning automatically. It can be folded and put into the controller to take away easily. Equipped with a bright LED searchlight on the head, users can fly the drone in the dark night easily. Dronecon Scouter has 3 speed modes switchable, namely low, middle, and high speed. This helps you practice the flying skills step by step so that you can grow from a beginner to an expert gradually. Besides the normal USB charging cable, there is another built-in charging cable inside the controller, which can be used to charge the drone battery when the controller is powered on. That makes charging much more convenient. One of the best kids drones is the Ghoul RC T36 mini RC quadcopter. With the latest 6-axis gyro flight control system, the drone will fly stably so you can enjoy the easier flight. While using headless mode, the forward direction has nothing to do with nose direction. The direction will be the same as your remote control. With the built-in positioning system, the drone can auto-locate the remote control. All you need to do is press just the 1-key return button, and the drone will fly back to the remote control's location. This drone can perform the 360-degree flip rolls with 1 key, and it is very easy to use even for the beginner. Coupled with an excellent 3D flip system that allows for easier stunt flying, it is a perfect drone on which to learn. So, these are the best kids drones that are available. We hope this video helped you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Do give us a thumbs up if you like this video.